Welcome to Mozart Music Performer. Music we break the number. Let's check the message by the song. We give positive feedback, inspire us. Basically, we post on toxic zone content. I hope everybody is doing good in this weather. It's a Sunday, and this weather is just yeah, act. Yeah, stylish. Yeah, Tyler. I hope everybody's doing as well as possible. As I'm currently recording this, guys, we are sitting on what 700 and what 40 742. Yeah, so we are about what are we reacting to? Yeah. Wow, what a day. Today we are reacting to invest um imvuselelo yamaKristu ukhona ubunzima kamoya. I hope I said that right, bro. So without wasting you guys' time, let's do me. That came out now, man. Mm, mm. Ukhona ubunzima kamoya. There is hardship of the spirit. Oh. Hey, hey. That's a powerful song. Yeah. I don't know if this. I don't know if the lady singing here is crying, but hey, Nyamus. Don't be crying. attending a funeral. Ukonza Zion. But for that day you chose, nah, it's fucking casual. And then something like this happened. Like what do you do? Do you leave everything and someone go there and join? I'm asking. I'm just asking. Mm. Bukhona ubunzima kamoya. I mean, this the song explains itself, man. It's oh, hey, oh. Even I don't know what to say, right? It's really touching, bro. Bukhona ubunzima kamoya. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, bakushaya inhliziyo right now, bro. Hey, because the struggle of the soul is something else, man. The spirit, bro. It's something else, man. Yeah. So it's a Sundays I'm recording this. You guys are seeing this on a Wednesday. Ooh.
asekulungile shimso kulungile shimso sinesakhiwo esingakhiwanga ngesandla sinesakhiwo esingakhiwanga ngesandla
I'm really trying not to be emotional right now, man. Ana Uzayoni is it's just one of those days, guys, where my mood is a bit damp, you know. Yo, hey, hey, this song just sent chills down my spine. Ooh, Kolumzima Bukamoi. So yo, in the favorite Totofu mystery chup, what's going on? I'm signing out. Adios.